Students, hello students. So today we will discuss exercise 3.4, which is based on elimination method. Elimination method. As we already know that there are three types of algebraic methods. First one is substitution, second one is elimination, and third one is cross multiplication. So in last video we have discussed about substitution method. So today we will discuss on elimination method. So exercise 3.4, first question is solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method. Okay, so first question is x plus y is equal to 5 and second one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Before we discuss this question, let's write some rules for elimination method. First rule is try to make like terms in both the equation, as this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Like terms means जैसे यहाँ 2x है तो यहाँ भी 2x हो, यहाँ 3y है तो यहाँ भी 3y हो, इस तरह से like terms. Second one is if both the like terms have same sign. अगर दोनों like terms का साइन सेम होगा, मतलब दोनों पॉजिटिव या दोनों नेगेटिव होगा, then subtract both the equations. तो हम दोनों इक्वेशन को क्या कर देंगे, आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है. और थर्ड पॉइंट है इफ बोथ द लाइक टर्म्स, दोनों लाइक टर्म्स जो होंगे अगर उनके साइन डिफरेंट होंगे, हैव डिफरेंट साइन, मतलब अगर एक पॉजिटिव है एक नेगेटिव है या एक नेगेटिव है दूसरा पॉजिटिव है, तब क्या करेंगे, देन ऐड कर देंगे, ऐड बोथ द इक्वेशन. सो सबसे पहले तो यहां लाइक टर्म्स बनाना है. सो इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 it will be 2x, or if we want to make it like terms as a y, so we can multiply it with 3 also, but here we can use anything. So always try to add the equations. Okay, if you will add, you will not face any problem, because in subtraction you have to change the sign, and if any sign will be missed by you, so the whole question will be wrong. So multiply this equation by 3. Okay, we will write here multiply equation first by 3, or you can show like this also. So this 3 will multiply all the terms of the equation. So 3x plus 3y is equal to 5, 3, 15, and this equation as it is, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now see here, these both are like 3y and both signs are different, and when the signs are different, what we do, we add. So now we will add. When we add, this will be cancel out, 3x plus 2x 5x, and 15 plus 4 19. So x is equal to 19 upon 5. Now put x is equal to 19 by 5 in any equation, in first or second, whatever you want. So in first, let's say I am putting this in first. So x plus y is equal to 5. On x, I can replace it by 90 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. This will come this side and give minus sign. So 90 by 5, this will be, take LCM, 5 25 minus 19 upon 5, and the answer is 6 upon 5. So here x value is 19 by 5 and y value is 6 by 5. Let's take one more questions. Second question is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So this is first and this is second. So if we multiply second equation by 2, let's see here. So 2 to 4, this will also 4 and this will make like terms. Okay. Now 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, first equation as it is, and multiply it with 2. So 2 into 2 4x, 2 into 2 4y, and 2 into 2 4. Now again see, the like terms have different sign. When we have different signs with like terms, what we do? We add. Now add. So this will be cancel out. 4x plus 3x 7x, and 10 plus 4 14. So x is equal to 14 upon 7. Answer is 2. Now put x is equal to 2 in any equation, whatever you want, first or second. Let's say first. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Replace x with 2. So 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. 3 to 6, and here it is in positive, so that side negative. So 4y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4 by 4. It's 1. So here x value is 2, y value is 1. So by this method, elimination method is simplest method to solve any pair of linear equations. Let's see some problem question based on this. Question number 2. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution by elimination method. So question 2, first part is given as, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. Okay, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So here we have one question. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So first of all, let the fraction be, let's say x by y. Okay. Now according to question, clearly it is given that if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, we get 1. Okay, so cross multiply it. X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1 will go that side, so y will come here and 2 will, so minus 1, and this plus 1 here minus 1, so x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is our first equation. Now in second part of question, it is saying that let's add only 1 to the denominator and we get 1. Okay, sorry, 1 by 2. Okay, so cross multiply 2x y plus 1, so 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is our second equation. Now we have two equations. First one is x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. This is first, and second one is 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is second. Now see here we have already a like term as y. Okay, and both have same sign. When we have same sign, what we do? Subtract. So when x will be subtracted, it means it will give minus sign. This minus will change in positive and this one will change in negative. Now x minus 2x minus x minus y plus y cancel out, minus 2 and minus 1, minus 3 and minus minus cancel, so x is equal to 3. Now put x is equal to 3 in any equation, whatever you want, first or second. So I am putting in first equation was x minus y is equal to minus 2. So x is 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. 3 and minus 2 will come this side and minus y go that side. So y is equal to 5. So here the fraction is what we have let x by y. So what is x? X is 3 and y is 5. So fraction is 3 by 5. Like this you will solve this exercise. If you have any problem, you can ask on WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.